the sun went down, carried the weight, never made a sound. Our faith held the family tight through every fear, through every fight. Children watching, learning the way. Elijah strong, never led astray. Little Esther with hope in her eyes, dreaming beyond the cloudy skies. Through the hardship, through the pain, nothing we faced was ever in vain. From the storm to the light we rise, through the pain, through the sacrifice. We were broken but never gave in. Now the blessings are pouring in. Through the fire we found our way. On our knees we learned to pray. Now we stand, hearts open wide. Grace from above is our guide. Dautukuna nangase, nidako nidrede, etiko kinanavinaka. We walk through darkness, but the light has come. Faith never faded, God's love was always there. From the storm to the light we rise, now we see with thankful eyes. All the pain has shaped our name, and we'll never be the same. Through the fire we found our way, every night turned into day. Now we stand strong and alive by His grace. We survive. Tevita Vasu of Lomati, Fijian shore. A humble man who gave his all and more. Lusiana, Yavala, Natokalau, Ovalau, side. A faithful woman, strength and pride. With Elijah leading, standing tall, and Esther shining through it all. From two small villages, their story grew. Now blessings fall like morning dew.